Hey guys, how are you? My name is Inamur Rahman and today's topic is cloud engineer. As a cloud engineer, your role revolves around designing, implementing and managing cloud infrastructure and services to support an organization IT operations. You leverage cloud computing platforms such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, GCP or other clouds providers to build scalable reliable and secure solutions. Here's an overview of your role and responsibilities. Cloud infrastructure designing cloud-based solutions and architectures to meet the organization's requirements for scalability, reliability, and performance. You select appropriate cloud service resources and configurations to optimize cost effectiveness and meet businesses objective. Cloud resources provisioning and configuring cloud resources such as virtual machines, storage, networking, and databases. You use infrastructure as code LAC. Tools like Terraform, Cloud Formation, or Azure Resource Manager to automate resources provisions and ensure consistency across environment. Deployment automation to the deployment of application and services on cloud infrastructure using continuous integration and continuous deployment. CI/CD pipeline. You use tools like Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD or AWS code pipeline to automate builds, system test and deployment processes. Security and compliance. Implementing security best practices and compliance measures to protect cloud infrastructure and data. You configure security groups, networks, access controls, encryption and identity and access management. Responsible for managing managing and organization IT infrastructure, ensuring its reliability, security and efficiency. Your role encompasses various tasks including server management, installing, configuring and maintaining server to support the organization's computing needs. This involves managing operating systems, software, applications and services running on services. Network administration, managing network infrastructure including routers, switches, firewalls and wireless access points to ensure connectivity and performance. Configuring network settings, monitoring traffic and troubleshooting network issues are part of your responsibilities. User account management, creating and managing user accounts, permissions and access controls to ensure appropriate access to resource and data. Your oversee authentication mechanisms such as Active Directory or LDAP and enforce password policies and security best practices. Data backup and recovery, implementing data backup strategies to protect against data loss and developing disaster recovery plans to minimize downtime in case of system failures or disasters. Regularly backing up data, testing backup integrity and developing recovery procedures are essential tasks. Security management, implementing security measures to protect IT systems and data from unauthorized access, malware and cyber threats. This includes installing security patches and updates, configuring firewalls and intrusion detection systems and conducting security audits and UV and VU vulnerability assessments. System monitoring and performance tuning, monitoring systems performance, resource usage and uptime using monitoring tools and performance metrics, identifying performance bottlenecks optimizing system configuration and scaling resources as needed, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Software installation and configuration, installing, upgrading and configuring software applications and utilities on servers and workstations, ensuring software installations comply with licensing agreements, security policies and compatibility requirements is part